Hey, all you computer geeks, it's me, Glitch, and I just got a tip for you. Ever wonder why if you take a picture with your iPhone, the color don't look right, looks brown or bluish? What happens? The iPhone automatically tries to adjust the lighting based off your lighting background. Unless you're in a studio with perfect light, that may happen. What you got to do is you either manually got to try to control it to adjust what's called the white or color balancing, or you can get a third party app to do it. Also, Windows 95 is now 25 years old. That's when it all started. Remember, there's no bad computers, only dope and dopette users. Peace.